The GEPEA laboratory has been working for over 3 years on a research project called MOBILTOX, the aim of which is to propose an instrumentation platform equipped with a sampling drone and a biosensor to assess and monitor global toxicity in the marine environment. The challenge of this project is to obtain results that are representative of the environment, which means being able to carry out this procedure directly in situ. In order to achieve this biomonitoring, the first challenge is to be able to carry out sampling on the coastal strip in an automated, fast, and easy way. To achieve this, the drone is equipped with an onboard computer, and it is possible to keep control of the drone thanks to an interface integrated directly into the remote-controlled joystick. It is then possible for the operator to carry out a sampling circuit manually by moving the drone with the remote control and activating sampling by hand. He can also program a circuit using the GPS on board the sampling drone. In this way, the drone becomes autonomous, carrying out a circuit automatically and taking up to 20 seawater samples, depending on the parameters entered by the operator during programming. The operator can then follow the sampling live. The drone is also equipped with a set of physicochemical probes. Data is recorded at regular intervals and stored on the onboard computer. It is also possible to monitor the acquisition and evolution of these data in real time. The aim is to be able to map physicochemical parameters at the land-sea interface that is the coastline. Once the route has been completed, the drone automatically returns to its starting point. The operator can then easily retrieve his samples. When sampling is complete, the operator selects a sample for testing in the biosensor. This device enables ecotoxicology tests to be carried out directly in the field. Various freeze-dried marine bacterial strains, selected as being particularly representative of the marine environment, both genetically and functionally, are subjected to the aqueous sample collected by the drone. After 75 minutes of exposure, the addition of a fluorescent marker will enable the toxic potential of the seawater sample to be assessed, providing information on its potential impact on ecosystem services.